Hey guys, so we just stopped at Traveston, Caltex, to get fuel and a few other supplies, and we saw this cute little thing, which is Matilda the kangaroo apparently, and she's 14 meters high.
And she has the best eyelashes in the area.
That's it. So we're just south of Gympie, and we're heading to we're getting closer to Fraser Island. So we're heading to Inskip Point. We'll bring you back.
It's Gibbo's birthday today! Happy birthday!
Thank you. That's the end of this video update. All right, sit rep.
Sit rep. We got in like kind of late last night. It was pretty dark, so we just set up the tent and yeah, lit the fire. What else did we do? Just chill.
Relaxed.
Yeah, relaxed. Didn't do any filming because it was too dark and most people were already like relaxed and quiet, so we didn't want to make any noise. But yeah, we're at Inskip Point and
Today is the day.
It's the beach, and today's the day we go over there on that ferry.
Oh, you guys can see the ferry over there. Where is it?
Like,
there.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, the green and gold.
How do I bring my... Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, right there.
So our car will be going on that ferry at about 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock this afternoon. And then we head up the coast of Fraser Island. Just somewhere for a few days.
Yeah.
We don't know where. We haven't booked anywhere. We're just going to go on and something when we get there. So
yeah. But today, while we're waiting, we might just cook up some breakfast, do some fishing. Hopefully we cook some lunch or dinner and enjoy the day.
All right. We'll bring you back soon.
Welcome to Inskip Point.
Okay.
So we have left Inskip Campground and we're coming into Rainbow Beach, and we're just going to refill our water, get some more supplies. So we need some more drinking water and a couple of things from the supermarket just for like snacks and stuff, and maybe a treat for Gibbo's birthday because we don't have a birthday cake. So yeah, we might do that, and then we are ready to drive onto the ferry. Are you feeling excited, Gibbo?
Ooh, pumped.
This is the cutest little town ever. Gibbo's just counting his coins so we can fill up our jerry can of water.
20 litre.
He probably could have done it somewhere else. But
support the local economy.
Nice.
It's drinking water.
Yeah,
This is like
we can use this to actually drink if we need to, but this will be like dishes, everything else.
It's got a very fine 1 millimeter that way or that way.
Oh
yeah, that's full.
Nice work.
Pretty dry. These are a new addition. So you just set them to whatever PSI. So I'm setting them to 20 PSI. And you just chuck them on and they let the air out and stop when they're done. It takes about 5 minutes.
Nice. One on. Point where everyone gets bogged, and hoping that we're not
One of those people.
going to be one of those people that's on what is it called? Got bogged at Inskip Point.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's a YouTube channel.
Look at this magic. There's Fraser Island over there. Oh, look at that. Swimming in the water, fishing in the water.
It's like perfect weather.
I see some dingoes today.
Yeah, I'm sure we are going to see some dingoes today. And tomorrow.
Alright, this is it.
Oh yeah, this is it.
Oh shit. Guess it's home.
Oh, shit, this is actually it. This is the part where everyone gets bogged. Just got to keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep going, going, go.
Still in two of them.
Oh. Wow. And it looks like we might just get on the ferry.
There's a spot.
Sorry about the bumpiness.
Okay.
Looks like there's a spot. Yeah. That side. Woohoo. Nice.
You threw it, set up.
We made it!
Alright, we're on the ferry. How nice is this?
So good.
Where's the water? How warm's the weather?
So nice. Yeah. Just pristine conditions. We wish you guys were here.
Let's go, Fraser.
Let's go.
We're now on Fraser Island.
Yeah, right through
That's
there.
just a second.
It's Fraser Island. Here we go. We're Driving on to Fraser. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go, boy. You see that palm tree all the way over there?
Yeah, that's where
we were staying.
Oh yeah, it was actually that palm tree. You can see. Fraser Island, baby.
Whoa.
Trucks just disappeared.
Oh. We're not going to show you much of this footage because, well, it's bouncy. Sorry, Mum.
They have street names? Yeah, this place.
Oh, that's cool.
We're in Eurong.
You're wrong. Oh yeah, there's like a little gad shed. Cute. We've got a resort over there.
K'gari.
Sid's bar.
It's swimming
Nice.
pools.
We've got a guy mowing the lawn over there. Yeah. The pub. Maybe. Oh, cool. That would be unfortunate. Just going through another little section where it looks like they have some accommodation.
It's called Udny Rocks.
Not Sydney Rocks, Udny Rocks, although it looks really deserted. birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray. Hip hip, hooray. Hip hip, hooray. Make a wish. Before they go out.
Oh, I got to play.
Well, it won't matter, but you can.
Oh, they're going out.
Ah,
Beautiful.
yay! Birthdays on Fraser Island.
Beautiful.
happened, Gibbo?
So I threw the cast the fishing line out, and then I started to reel it back in, and it's got all this jelly, or sandy jelly. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like the consistency of fish flesh, and it's just stuck to the line every 10 centimeters for like however 50 meters now. And I can't even reel the line in because it keeps getting stuck and whatever, and I can't actually get it off the line. I almost want to just cut the line. It's that bad. If anyone knows what this stuff is, let us know in the comments. But I've literally spent half an hour trying to get this stuff off the line. And I cut the line, but then it would halve the length of the line that we've got on this fishing.
Did we bring spare line?
Maybe. Not that much to be like.
Oh.
So, anyway, I don't know. I need a break from this.
Okay. What even is that on the line?
It looks like wet sand, but it's not. It's like jelly sand.
It kind of looks like raw chicken when there's no sand on it.
Yeah, it looks like raw chicken that's just been dropped in the sand. I feel like it's some kind of seaweedy stuff that's just... I don't know. Never seen it before. just are up at Cathedral Beach. What do you call this place? Campground? Cathedral Beach. It's like a private campground, so it's not just free camping. You need to book a spot here, and they got powered sites and toilets and showers and all that kind of stuff. So we just came up from where we were camping at the Mahino camping area near the shipwreck, because the ranger that came past this morning to check our permits told us that there were some warm showers. So we do have a camp shower that we can heat water and have a warm shower, but we thought just as easy to come up here and have a shower and check it out. So I just finished mine. Tani's still in having hers, no surprise. Probably washing her hair or something. It's taking a bit longer. And yeah, it was $5 each. So $5 for a 5-minute shower, essentially, because it's got a 5-minute limit on the hot water. And very clean showers, very clean facilities. There are other showers. I forget the name of the place that's just further north than here. Dunbogan or something like that. And they have $2 coin-operated showers, so it would have been $2 each. But we called in here first and spoke to the guy. It was very friendly down there at reception, and so we thought, yeah, we'll just stay here, $5 each for these showers. So, yeah. Anyway, we think it's 3 p.m, day 2 on Fraser Island, and I think the plan was to go to Lake McKenzie, the inland freshwater lake. I'm not too sure whether we'll make it back there or not before sunset. It's perfect with the tide times because it's low tide in about an hour, so we're kind of in the zone there. It's just whether we will get back. So I'm not too sure. If we make it to Lake McKenzie, you will see us in a few seconds, and I'm sure we'll be at Lake McKenzie. So we didn't end up going to Lake McKenzie this afternoon. Just the rangers told us it was a bit far. It was like an hour and a half each way, so we wouldn't have got back till well after dark. So I think we'll go do that tomorrow. How was the shower?
Oh, it was so nice. I washed my hair. Gibbo did say when I got in the car that I probably pressed the 5-minute button twice. But I didn't. I was just in there for 5 minutes, and it gives you like a pulsing warning at like 1 minute, just to let you know that you've got 1 minute left. And yeah, I thought that I accidentally turned the shower off at the 1 minute mark, and I didn't realize that I still only had 1 minute to go. But no, it was good. I feel fresh. I got a bit of shampoo and conditioner in my eyes, so they're a little bit sore, but I'm clean.
Nice one. And we're ready for State of Origin.
Yes. Let us know in the
2
comments.
nights.
Who is your team? Maroons or Blues? Are you team Tarn or team Gibbo? Comment.
Let us know.
We want to know. If you're no team at all, also let us know. And we'll choose one for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, the pinnacles.
And what did we do instead of driving to Lake McKenzie?
I brought a jumper.
Tarn went shopping.
I brought a fridge magnet. I brought a book. I brought a board. Not a board game. I brought Scrabble. Is that a board game? You class it as a board game?
Yeah.
We brought Scrabble, so this afternoon we're just gonna chill, eat some snacks, play Scrabble.
Yeah. And we stopped, so we've just been driving up and down the beach to a few different places. And we just stopped at the Pinnacles, so check this out.
Hey buddy. Don't stop. Oh, he's tired. Just had a little yawn. record this, Gibbo interrupts me. So this is probably take 500.
Oh, there's
and
a whale.
oh my god,
It's a whale. Actually, a whale.
Gibbo!
Actually, a whale. Instead of recording this, you should be showing them the whales.
Yeah, but we can't see up close in the camera.
Okay, you can finish your video now.
Okay. As I was saying, every time I try and record this, Gibbo interrupts me. And I just want to tell you guys that yesterday when we were at the caravan park, we were talking, well, I was talking to the guy at the checkout. No, I'm not even looking at the camera.
Reception.
Huh?
The receptionist at the camp.
Every time I try and record this video, Gibbo interrupts me and I can't even say what I want to say. So, here it is. Maybe this time for the 500th take. Yesterday we were talking to the guy at the caravan park and he was telling me about what times of the year are really good to come to Fraser. And he said that this is the driest time of the year, so from April through to August. And it's also one of the quietest times of the year because most people come in September school holidays just before and right through to Christmas. And they're generally the ones who have been here a few times, so they know what to expect. They're pretty easygoing. And he said that April's one of the worst times of year to come because that's when all the new people come that haven't been to Fraser before. And yeah, he was just like, it's not that great. It might be a bit tricky because I guess if there's lots of new people, then maybe they're getting bogged on the sand and...
Not that we want to discourage any new people from coming. We're new people.
Yeah, well, we're new people.
Yeah.
He did...
People that don't know what they're doing with four-wheel drives and that kind of thing.
Yeah, he did also ask me if we were new and if we had been here before, and I said no. This is our first time driving on the sand and camping. Gibbo's been here before, but I was in a tour. And yeah, so he pretty much said that the best time of year is like now because it's dry. It's not cold. Like we're sitting here in shorts and yes, we have these on, but it's also like 7 o'clock in the morning. So it just kind of gives you a little bit of a windbreak. But yeah, if you want to come to Fraser, don't be discouraged by winter because even though the clouds are really grey at the moment above me, we've had like clear sky and we're here for another day today and then leave tomorrow morning.
It's been the warmest spot of the trip.
Yeah, we've been like warm and you're not allowed fires here, so we're a bit worried that we were going to be too cold at night, but we really haven't been. We've been sleeping with the door open or the, what's it called? Yeah, the door. Like keeping the fly screen closed, but yeah. So if you want to come to Fraser, come any time of the year, really. Don't worry about winter or cold or can you have fires or not? Is it raining? Because we feel like we've got the beach to ourselves. Even though you see the occasional car, it's perfect. That's it. That's what the guy said at Cathedral's camping ground, caravan park.
Oh, and don't worry about the four-wheel driving. It's not that hard.
Yeah, if Gibbo can do it.
Yeah, we don't have like a highly modified four-wheel drive or anything, and there's no troubles driving. You just got to be careful of the tide. So come 2 hours either side of low tide, and the water's going to be heaps back. Yeah. And there's heaps of space. And then if you come at high tide, like even the water's probably coming up a few meters from where we are now, so you don't want to be driving then. But as long as you're aware of where the water is, there's always a lot of other cars around. So if you get into trouble, someone's going to help you if you get bogged. But we were in 4 high, didn't even use 4 low that much driving up and down the beach. So it's all good. We don't have a lifted 4-wheel drive, so there's definitely some inland tracks up north where I probably wouldn't even try with my car, but we've been able to come here for 3 days and have fun and drive around everywhere and haven't had to worry about it. So
Yeah. And if you really get stuck, there is like police on the island, there's ambulance on the island, there's rangers, there's villagers, there's petrol stations, there's shopping centres, not really shopping centres, but the
Shops.
the shops, the caravan parks have literally
Convenience
everything.
stores.
They like, yeah, the amount of food that's on the shelves, and yeah, you really don't need to worry about anything. So just come and enjoy.
Anyway, back to whale watching.
Back to whale watching. We are driving through the rainforest to Lake Mackenzie. So it's taken us, what, about an hour and a half to get here. Yeah. From Mahino, so which is right at the shipwreck, which is where we're camping. And it's been a lovely drive. Not too difficult for Gibbo. There's a couple of spots where like it's two ways, so you have to let some people past, but down there is the lake.
We are at Lake McKenzie in the middle of Fraser Island. So we came on the 4-drive truck on the way here, and it was quite a long 4-drive truck. Lots of undulations, ups and downs, and we're now at the lake. So this is a freshwater lake. As you can see, very white sand and crystal clear. So when you walk in, I don't know if the camera will show it, but you can see your feet on the bottom of the water as if it was like tap water in your bath. It's so clear. And the sand's pretty cool too.
Yeah, it's like exfoliant in a jar that's just been nice and not too grainy, but it's nice. Yeah. If that makes sense. Yeah.
Enjoy the footage. And then we've got an hour and a half trip back to our campsite up near Mahino. So
So Gibbo has to go in for a swim because it's mandatory that someone swims at Lake Mackenzie. So, is it? It wasn't when I put my feet in. So yeah, he's taking one for the team. 1, 2, 3, dive. Don't wait.
let's do this.
Come on, I can't hold the camera forever. Oh. If you couldn't hear that, Gibbo said it makes his hair smooth and a little bit oily. So we're back in the car after visiting Lake Mackenzie, and when we got into the car park, they were just eating at the back of the car. And there is so many signs everywhere that says, like, only eat in the fenced areas. There's dangerous dingoes in this section. They do attack. You have to be vigilant. And yeah, I said to these people, I was like, you actually can't eat there. And they just gave me a really funny look, and then all really quickly got in their car. And I was like, I would not be eating there if I was you. So...
But they're making it unsafe for everyone else.
Exactly. And there's signs saying that it's people that have made the dingoes, some of these dingoes, this way because it's human behaviour that trains them to be aggressive. And unfortunately, you know, sometimes things do happen. So we have to make sure that we are taking care and being aware of our surroundings, not just for ourselves, but for everybody else too. So Lake McKenzie was beautiful. It is a little bit of a steep walk up steps, so accessibility wise, it's not that great. If you struggle with steps, then there is a little lookout part, but you can't really see much from that little lookout. So yeah, that's our take on Lake McKenzie. Oh, we're gonna do a water crossing. Here we go. Not this one.
How are you enjoying your first time driving on the sand?
It's fun so far.
That's what?
It's fun so far.
Oh, yeah, there's a cliff. Oi.
Oh,
Send it.
send it.
How was that?
Oh, that was bumpy. That was like the race to survival or something. And I lost.
I should let you drive. Yeah, it was very, very soft sand. Softer than I remember in this the south end of the island, but it was fun.
Yeah, for you.
Get a few ruts and bumps and
Yeah,
water holes.
a few water holes, yeah. Which I'm sure you'll see plenty of over the years of our
So
videos.
we're just at the south end of the island waiting for the ferry to come across, which is coming across there somewhere. Right over there. It'll probably be a few minutes. Yeah, so this is wrapping up our Fraser Island video.
Yeah. That was
3
fun.
3 nights, 4 days.
Yeah.
Camping on the beach.
Mahino.
Dingoes, Lake McKenzie. Loved it.
We got a little bit of rain last night, which was
Got a lot of rain, actually.
Yeah, a lot of rain.
Yeah.
And
But luckily it was gone by the morning.
Yeah. Some things were still a bit wet, so lucky we still have to set up tent again for our next. We don't know where we're staying for the next couple of nights, so I'm sure we'll show you guys when we get to that point. But
if you like this video, you like this content, make sure you like, comment, leave us a comment, tell us what you think.
Yeah, let us know if we could have done something better, so next time we might be better at it.
And subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
We are leaving the ferry and we are now coming through. We're a bit heavy and we just hope that we will make it. Everyone is watching us. Oh yes, it's cruising. Still a bit bouncy. Someone's made the tracks for us, so that's nice. Yeah. So, we done it. We made it. Bye.